Hi friends, today my main topic is Leo Aerospace. Main topic is Leo Aerospace. You see here like that. This is balloon and this is a main essential part, that means satellites to launch with help of this balloon. So first we talk about the working principle of balloons. This is not simple balloon, this is a hot air balloon. So how can it work, this balloon? We talking firstly, then next one. This is total process of Leo Aerospace technologies. So please friends, first how can hot air balloons works. So here this is small structures of hot air balloons. This is skirt, that is these portions is known as skirt. As you see here, this is skirt, and this is parachute valve. These portions is known as parachute valve, and total this is envelope. As you know, skirt, it is covering. And here you see friends, this is burner, and this burner is connected to two cylinders via this cylinders is propane tank. This cylinder is no having propane. This cylinder having propane, and this is a basket in which any man's or any things are inside this and take off. And this portion, this you see here, this is a parachute valve cord. Parachute valve cord. So this is all about the hot air balloons. This is not a simple balloon. This is these balloons is open here, so that means air from the environments inside and outside, that means get in from the environment, air get in and out. And this is when burn up, this burner is burn up, then inside this air is heated up. And as you know friends, when air heated, then this air will get lighter around this air, because in environment air the cooler air, and inside this air the hotter air, and this hot air is lighter than the cooler air. So the working principle is simple. It works because hot air rises by heating the air inside the balloon with burner. It becomes lighter than the cooler air on the outside. This causes the balloon to float upward directions as it were in water, as you see. Obviously, if the air is allowed to cool, if you want to cool the air, then this balloon begins to slowly comes down. If this burner or turn off, then this balloon is slowly comes down. This balloon is open at the bottom, so air can still get in and out. That means the density of the air in the balloon can change, while the pressure inside and outside essentially the same. Pressure are always same. So hot air balloons float because the air caught inside the balloon is heated up by a burner. So if you want to lift an adult man, if you want a lift an adult man, then you need a balloon about 4 semi radius. If you want to lift adult man, then you need 4-meter radius. The balloon having 4-meter radius, and inside the balloon temperature having 120 degree, then adult man lift up. So some process are here. First of all, lift force equals to what? Half CL rho a v square. half. CL is known as coefficient of lift coefficient, CL known as lift coefficient. This is density, and this is A equals to known as projected area, and this is velocity. So this is formula of lift force, and you see here, when lift force is greater than the balloon weight, that means total weight including man, then balloons climbing up. If lift force is greater than weight, then balloons climbing up. And if lift force equals to weight, then level flat, that means you can say balloons are float as like this. And if lift force is less than weight, then balloons descending, that means comes down. So it is first you see this process, and after that you see my Leo Aerospace technology, because this is totally dependent on hot air balloons process. So thank you.